Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder. A drag-and-drop app builder creates progressive web app, iOS and Android apps for your websites, or without a site, with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a brand new app from scratch using FluxBuilder. To begin, log in to your FluxBuilder account. If you're new here, you can sign up quickly using your Google account or create a new profile. Once you're in, you can choose to use our AI App Builder for an automated start as the detailed guide in the description. Or follow along as we build one quickly and directly by clicking Create New App. Creating an app involves 4 simple steps. First, we have server integration, which is the most important part. If you don't have a website yet, you can use our no hosting option. If you do have a site, simply enter your domain name, making sure to include the HTTPS prefix. Next, select your website framework from our supported list. Some frameworks might ask for an API key or access token. If you aren't sure where to find these, we have provided a link to the guide right there. Please review the full guide carefully. As certain plugins are required for your website to integrate properly with the app. You will also find specific guides on creating the app and solutions for common integration issues. Now, I will head back to FluxBuilder to continue by selecting my website framework and inputting the access token. Now, let's check the connectivity by clicking the Run Troubleshoot button. This ensures your website and app are communicating perfectly. If all items pass, your integration is successful. If any item fails, like this, just click the icon next to it to see the specific solution. When all items pass, you'll see your actual website data on the simulator in live mode. The demo mode will show our demo data. Next, in this step, you can browse our library of professional templates. Choosing a template is the fastest way to get a beautiful UI. While some templates may appear locked, they will be available as soon as you activate your app. Next, enter your app name. You can also add a short description and upload your light and dark mode logos now. Or simply skip this and update them later. Then, pick your initial colors and fonts. Finally, click Create App. Congratulations! Your app is now ready. To start customizing, head to Design in the side menu. You can quickly navigate between Screen tab here. The design layout for the tab screen can also be quickly changed. Click the plus button to add new screens, or delete the ones you don't need. In the design section, you'll find several options to help you build faster, such as templates, app bar, tabar, and side menu settings. You can also use layouts to quickly add new items to your home screen. For home screen, you can edit any item on your home screen just by clicking it directly on the simulator. Or by selecting it from the home layout list. Beyond design, you can manage all your app's features in the side menu. Simply click a feature to adjust its settings on the right panel. Don't worry if you see some features are locked. Once you activate your app, they will be unlocked immediately. We've also included a guide within each feature to help you out if you get stuck while editing. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to find it instantly. There are many other interesting functions hidden in this bar as well, so I hope you take some time to explore them while using FluxBuilder. If you aren't sure where to go next, check the task list. It will show you exactly what needs to be completed for a perfect app. When you are happy with your design, head over to the Build section. This feature supports building PWA, iOS, and Android apps to publish on both the App Store and Google Play. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates and stunning features. See you in the next video.